Hey everyone, this is Tom with Convesio. Just want to give a shout out to Jamie here, who did a post about the new Features API. And so I was kind of curious how this works and decided I'd make a quick video about it because there's some pretty cool and interesting stuff here. So if you're not familiar with this, this was something Jamie just mentioned recently. And it's a bit of a new thing for WordPress, which, from what I can understand, the goal of this is to make the componentry of WordPress able to be accessed via an LLM, and in this particular case, OpenAI. And so if you want to install this yourself, there's a pretty good getting started section here. This was pretty quick and easy to get up and running on a Convesio site that we have. And so we just followed all of this and used the plugin. And the only thing that we really needed aside from this was a OpenAI key. So anyway, pretty quick. Didn't take very long to get up and running. So what you get when you have this set up is this little window here, which is your AI agent window. And again, this is using an API key connected to OpenAI. So I'm going to prompt this with a couple things, and we'll show you some of the stuff that it can do. So one of the first things that I did, and this is really my second time using this, is to say, what can you do? And just ask the agent what it can do, and it will give you back a list of things that you can do. So one of the cool things here is it can actually navigate your WordPress site in your browser, which is an interesting thing. So you can say, take me to the plugins, and it'll automatically navigate you directly to the plugins page, which was kind of neat. So other stuff that it can do is, user management, post management. So when I started working my way down the list here of this, I was like, post management. And I got crazy and I was shocked it actually worked. Write a post about the benefits of a daily walk for health. And I'm going to say write and create a post, because I kind of was thinking when I first did this, could it use OpenAI to create a post and write it? And it actually did, which was really awesome. So, it actually went through and did all this, and it created the post. And so now I'm just going to basically say, take me to the post. And so it'll navigate me to the post. So that's really interesting. You can say, tell me all my active plugins, right? You can also say things like how many users are on the site. One user. You can ask it things like, when was the user created? So the other thing that it can do, I didn't have much luck actually telling it to add a block to this post. So it does mention here in the list of stuff that it tells you that it can do, this block pattern stuff here. I wasn't able to actually get it to add a pattern. I wasn't actually able to get it to upload an image or create an image. I kind of thought maybe with OpenAI I could create an image. And so that's basically where I've gotten to so far. So, I mean, as you can see, there's some interesting stuff here. Now, as a hosting company, like I wanted to know things like, how much memory is the site using? And unfortunately, it's not able to tell you this. So a lot of times if you ask something of the Features API, it'll tell you, I don't have the capability to tell you that currently. So I'm excited to see collectively how like Convesio might be able to use this to be able to inform people of their site, um, and the sort of capacity, the server usage at the infrastructure level. So, all right, thanks everyone.